Hello, where are you going? Please get in. Welcome to my taxi. Where would you like to go? What is the address? Can you show me the address on the map? Please fasten your seatbelt. We will arrive in about 10 minutes. The traffic is heavy today. I will take the fastest route. Do you prefer the highway? Do you prefer a shorter route? Please sit comfortably. Let me start the trip. It's a nice day today. Are you visiting New York? Is this your first time here? Do you live in New York? Let me check the GPS. We are on the way. The traffic is slow today. There is construction ahead. We might be a little late. Do you want to stop somewhere? Would you like some music? Is the temperature okay? Should I turn on the air conditioning? Should I open the window? We are almost there. Just a few more minutes. This area is very busy. This is a popular place. You can see Central Park on the left. That is Times Square. New York never sleeps. There are many tourists here. This is the financial district. Wall Street is nearby. We are crossing the bridge. We are entering Manhattan. We have arrived. Here is your destination. Please check your belongings. Do not forget your phone. The fare is $18. You can pay by card. You can also pay cash. Thank you for your ride. Have a great day. Take care. Have a nice trip. Enjoy your stay in New York. Come again. Thank you for choosing my taxi. Please leave a good review. Have a safe day. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you next time. Thanks for the tip. Drive safely. Sorry, the road is closed. We need to take another route. There is a traffic jam. The police blocked the street. The GPS is recalculating. Please wait a moment. I will park here. Be careful when getting out. Watch the traffic. Please close the door. I cannot stop here. The stop is around the corner. We need to move. Please do not smoke in the car. Food is not allowed in the taxi. Please keep the car clean. Let me help with your luggage. Put the luggage in the trunk. Please be careful with the door. Have a wonderful day.